Free flight dinner. Gusto ko mag-backpack, pero wala pang 5 kg itong dala ko. At wala pa akong isang oras dala tong bag na to. Ang sakit na agad ng likod ko, grabe. Ang senior na yung likod ko, Diyos ko Lord. Hi guys! Today is March 18 and we're flying to Brunei. Kanina, sobrang bilis lang nung immigration experience namin. Less than 10 minutes lang ata, nakalagpas na kami ng immigration. And ang tinanong lang sa akin is, anong gagawin ko doon, and then stamp na. Kaya, yun yung isa sa pinaka-smooth na immigration experience ko. So, na flight namin is 8:40 and it's already 8:13. We will be boarding soon and we will take you guys with us. We will see you there. 2 hours to Brunei. It's already 11:25 p.m. We just landed here in Brunei. Guys, it's 12:25. May sundo kasi kami dapat from the hotel. Pag-arrive namin, wala yung sundo. Did you wait long for us?
Come here around 7 o'clock.
Ah, okay. So you have other guests too?
Yeah.
Okay. So he's here, guys. Hindi niya pala kami iniwan. There's Jollibee here. We're gonna try Jollibee here in Brunei. Good morning, guys. This is our first day here in Brunei. Okay, guys. So we are staying here at Badia Hotel. The reason why we choose this accommodation kasi malapit lang siya sa mosque. Kaya siyang lakarin and also affordable, plus meron siyang breakfast included na. Today is March 19 and we're just gonna do a city tour. Now, ang plan namin is maglalakad kami papunta sa Grand Mosque. Look at the weather. The weather is really nice. We walk all the way here. Monkey's there, I don't know if you can see.
You wanna go the other way around?
Yeah. Mama, babe. Wait. Kailangan namin pumunta sa bridge para makatawid, pero puro unggoy nandito, be. So doon kami galing kanina, and kung dumiretso kami doon sa mga unggoy, dyan kami lalabas sa pier na yan. Pero ang daming unggoy. Natakot kami. So guys, we're now here at the Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque, and this is the oldest mosque here in Brunei, and it's named after their sultan. So the dome that you see there, pure gold daw yan. And sobrang tahimik dito, wala kang makitang ibang tao. Parang kami nga lang yung turista ngayon dito. We will see if pwede kaming pumasok sa loob mismo kasi it's Ramadan. I don't know kung allowed pumasok yung mga non-Muslim sa loob, or maybe sa labas lang ng mosque kami pwedeng makapunta. Since Ramadan ngayon, open yung mga restaurant pero hindi pwedeng mag-dine-in. Only for take-out lang, and pwede nyo siyang kainin sa accommodation nyo or sa bahay nyo. And then, pwede na kayong mag-dine-in after 6:30. Babe, what is your first impression sa Brunei?
Brunei?
Yeah.
Beautiful, clean, crowded at all.
Yeah.
So less tourists here. I don't know if it's because of Ramadan season or just in general. Really quiet. We are actually it feels like we're the only one walking here around.
Yeah, actually. I think also because it's not a touristy place for other, it's
Other
not common.
nations,
Yeah, other nation.
not like Malaysia.
Yeah,
Thailand.
yeah. Brunei is very interesting country. Is it one of the smallest in Southeast Asia?
Maybe Singapore and then Brunei.
Yeah. The interesting part is their currency and Singaporean currency is just 1:1. Sa peso natin, around 43, 45 something ang 1 Brunei ringgit. Ganda talaga yung ekonomiya nila dito. And mayaman yung kanilang sultan. Later we will find out, or we're gonna ask some locals how much is the cost ng gas nila dito, kasi ang alam namin sobrang mura ng gas dito. First day namin, first impression sa mga locals, they are very nice, very accommodating. We will find out more as we explore this beautiful country. Got each this size is $4. Now we are just getting our food and then babalik kami sa accommodation namin para kumain kasi hindi na namin kaya magantay hanggang 6:30. So now we're going to Jollibee. Sabi nila Jollibee is the #1 fast food chain here sa Brunei. So I'm excited to see kung ano yung mga menu nila. Masyadong ibang menu aside from carbonara, and then meron din silang croissant sandwich, and then yung nasi lemak. So guys, we're now back in our accommodation and ito yung mga binili namin. Also cheese tofu, we got this meatballs, and then beef lamb, and we're gonna try the Jollibee spaghetti. Look at yung fries nila, may mga cheese. And then, of course, the famous Chicken Joy. Try this first. It's soft. Ang isang ganito, $1. Next is the meatball. This is the cheese tofu. Gusto na lang. Yung fries nila may melted cheese or mozzarella cheese. Dito ako excited kasi ang lagi kong in-order sa Jollibee is spaghetti. Same yung lasa niya. I'm gonna try the famous Chicken Joy. Let's see kung babalik kami mamaya sa center para kumain ulit. Kasi 6:30, pwede na kami kumain sa labas since tapos na yung fasting nila. Okay, we're out again. Babalik kami dun sa center para kumain and mag-ikot-ikot ulit. We're now walking, going back to the city center. And this is the way. Pero, hindi nakakatakot maglakad-lakad. Look how empty the streets here and clean. Hindi ka matatakot maglakad kahit madilim. Ang ganda ng mga bill ng Brunei. Look at that. This is their lamb rice bowl. Then we also got tteokbokki sa Brunei. Kasi wala masyadong open na restaurant dito. Hindi ito nakaka-Brunei itong tteokbokki na to. Gonna try their lamb rice. We also got the cheese tofu again. Ang sarap nito. Good.
Yummy. How many people? Not even 500,000 live here, right?
450,000.
450,000. Yeah, that's what I read online.
So guys, it's our day 2 here in Brunei, and we're now here at the James Aser Hassanil Bolkiah Mosque. This is the largest mosque here in Southeast Asia. Sabi nila ito yung bagong mosque kasi yung Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque is the old mosque. Ulan ngayon and magkapatila lang muna kami ng ulan and maybe pupunta pa kami sa kabilang side, and then after this pupunta naman kami sa Brunei Regalia Museum, and let's see if kaya pang makapag water village since umuulan, so we will update you guys later. Malakas pa din yung ulan, so we're trying to book Dahart. Ito yung parang Uber or Grab nila sa atin. Kaso ang hirap mag-book ngayon kasi maulan or wala nag-accept. I think hindi na kami pupunta ng water village ngayon kasi umuulan and delikado kasi madulas yung daan doon. So we will try tomorrow if maganda yung weather, then yun yung pupuntahan namin tomorrow.
Diesel, it's 31 cents Brunei dollar. For petrol, it's 53 cents Brunei dollar.
Wow.
That's fixed rate everywhere the same?
Yes.
Or it's going
everywhere
up and down?
No.
It's fixed rate.
It's fixed rate. Okay.
Wow.
Fixed rate, like since I'm still birth.
Wow,
Okay,
that's
okay.
really nice. How much is that in peso?
That's 20 US dollar, 20 cents US cents, right? 22 maybe, something like this.
Yeah, something like that.
It's gonna be in pesos, just over 10 pesos.
Over 10 pesos
Just around 10 pesos.
per
10,
liter.
10 to 15 pesos per liter.
Wow.
Yeah, for my car, for full tank, I can get like maybe $13-14.
Full
For
tank.
full tank, 50 liters, 60 liters, how much you get tank?
That one I'm not sure. The
Crazy.
liter, because for us we only usually look at the dollar, not the liter.
Ah, yeah.
Because since it's cheap, so usually we just like okay, $10. Then they will give us $10 value
Okay.
of fuel.
And then you just fill it up
Yes.
basically.
Wow. And do you pay taxes here?
No, we don't have taxes here.
No
Okay.
taxes at all.
Yes,
and
no.
and health system is covered.
Yes, health, education.
Education,
Yes.
taxes free.
Taxes free.
Okay, so everything
Oh my God.
what you get is for you,
Yes. for
basically.
us.
For
Wow.
Yeah.
Narinig niyo yung sinabi ng driver kanina. Now we're here at the Royal Regalia Museum. Medyo hindi maganda yung weather,
you.
pero
Yes,
Woo! Yawa. This is the Royal Regalia Museum. Pero hindi kami makakapasok kasi during Ramadan it's until 3 PM lang and it's already 4. So, hindi na namin siya mapupuntahan kasi Friday sarado siya. And then Saturday, pa Kuala Lumpur na kami. So, hindi namin mapupuntahan tong Royal Regalia Museum. Take note nyo na lang kapag Ramadan season kayo pupunta na until 9 to 3 PM lang siya tuwing Ramadan and close sila ng Friday.
Here's more local choice.
Meteor.
Meteor.
Big noodle. This one, mie goreng biasa kan? Mie goreng.
Mie goreng.
Oh,
okay.
Mie goreng. This one, tiny noodles.
Let's try those.
Prawn.
Durian. Banana. Banana fritters. Potato. Milo and banana there. This one veggie. Sweet potato, crab stick. That one potato, and this one local fruit. Kasukun. Sukun.
So we try the local food. Okay.
$1 4 pieces. Chicken mix.
Thank you. This.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much. Thank you.
So big. We get this one and that one. Okay. How do you call this one?
Beef rendang. In Malay, we call it daging rendang.
Sorry?
Daging rendang.
And then this is just biryani.
Just biryani.
Okay, perfect.
$6.
Thank you.
Can we take one spicy, one original?
One spicy, one original.
Yes, please.
Is that nasi katok?
No, nasi penyet.
And then this one?
Geprek.
Jetro. Okay.
$6.
Yeah.
Six, yeah. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. This one there. It's brown and deep with sticky rice.
Peanut, inside peanut, and then the red bean.
Okay.
Kasama.
Hasama.
In Brunei, kasama.
We'll get that one as well.
Do you want a two peanut and then a red bean?
Yeah, yeah.
And
Yeah,
mix?
just mix. Thank you.
So much.
Come again.
Thank you.
Nice day. Thank you. Come quickly.
Go.
Yeah. This rain.
Update guys, pabalik na kami sa accommodation namin. And we're using DART again since ito lang yung public transportation na available. Wala pa kami nakikitang ni isang bus. Kasi nga, most of the people here own private cars. So, walang masyadong public transportation dito. So, if you're going to Brunei, make sure to download DART. Hi guys, we're now back in our accommodation. Pa kami lunch and it's already 5 p.m. so bumili na kami ng pagkain namin for our lunch and dinner kasi we don't have plan na lumabas mamaya since umuulan. We got a lot of food and we got this sa local market. Ito naman is yung nasi geprek. $3 din siya and ang laki ng chicken. We also got this one, ang nice, super cute nung nabilihan namin nito. So, nag-video ako, diba? With my GoPro. And then, after kong bumili, hindi ko na nakuhaan kasi nahihiya ako. Tinanong niya kung YouTube vlogger pa ako. So, I said, nag-vlog lang ako ng mga travel namin and small subscriber lang. And then, he asked for my YouTube channel kasi sabi niya, gusto daw niya makita. And then, he is so nice. He even thanked us for visiting Brunei. And yeah, every locals here, wala pa kaming encounter na masungit. Lahat friendly, sobrang nice, very accommodating, and palangiti sila. This country is one of the countries na napuntahan namin na super nice ng mga locals. Yung kapag 'di ba may mga tourists, may ibang mga locals na talagang mangungulit sa'yo to avail their service, so di kaya sumakay sa ganito, ganyan, may mga ganong locals, diba? Pero dito, wala kaming na-experience as in. So, we got this and the biryani. This one naman, ito, yung mga merienda nila. And then, meron silang parang maruya sa atin. We also got this mee goreng. Ito, nakalimutan ko rin yung tawag, pero para siyang pad thai. Okay, let's eat. Para siyang pad thai, pero medyo less yung flavor niya. The mee goreng. First time ko matitikman to. Mga instant noodles lang yung natatry ko pa. Mga mee goreng na yan.
Try those.
This? Okay. Para siyang maruya sa atin.
Good.
Good. Local fruit nila, yung nasa loob niyan. Para siyang kamote. Next, we will try the beef. Yung local na bumibili nito, ito rin yung na-recommend niya. Masarap daw to.
Sarap.
Good.
Yeah. Meron pala kami na yung mga dessert nila. Traditional dessert din daw nila to. Then yung texture niya parang palitaw din. Hopefully tomorrow hindi na masyadong maulan or maganda na yung weather kasi ang plano namin is pupunta kami sa Water Village.
Thank you.